We're going to serve up a delicious, extremely simple pasta with pumpkin or butternut squash. We're gonna cook that down right on the stovetop in a skillet, and then we're going to add some toasted nuts, any kind you like. I have beautiful Italian hazelnuts here that I toasted up. So for our pasta with squash, of course you can cut up a small pumpkin, or I like to use butternut squash as well. Olive oil to coat the bottom of your skillet, a few turns of the pan. Then we're gonna add about a pound of butternut or pumpkin and cook that until light golden. We're gonna get it going about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we're gonna add some shallots or finely chopped onion and some garlic to this. I use nutmeg, so salt, pepper, and freshly grated nutmeg. So brown butter and sage is extremely traditional in many pasta dishes, stuffed and unstuffed. You start, of course, with a good amount of butter. I have about 6 tablespoons here for a pound of pasta in a small skillet. Bring that up to a gentle bubble. When the butter foams and starts to subside, that's when you add the sage leaves. When the sage leaves are stiff and crisp like this, when they plank out, that means they're done, and you can pull them out and put them onto a little paper towel. So I'm gonna add about 6 ounces of Gorgonzola dolce. That's the sweet, mild, delicious, tangy cheese to the pan. And I'm gonna let all that starchy water start breaking that down. See, it's going to continue to cook now in with our starchy water, the Gorgonzola, our beautiful browned butter. For the pasta dish, I'm gonna add some finely chopped chive to our Gorgonzola pumpkin mixture in the pan with the brown butter from the sage. And we're gonna put some of our toasted hazelnuts in there for crunch and texture. The sauce is made of Gorgonzola, but I like to finish with a little Parmigiano at the table. And then you top that with your crispy sage leaves.